Hello everybody, welcome to our channel Scientific Experiments and CBSE Educare. In this channel, you will find that we have two sections. You see here, we have two sections. Number one is scientific experiment. And number two is CBSE Educare. You see here, there are two sections. One is scientific experiment and then second one is CBSE Educare. CBSE Educare. What we'll get in these two sections? You see here, this is scientific experiment. In scientific experiments, you'll get all the experiments of science, that is either physics, chemistry or biology. All the experiments related to physics, chemistry and biology will get in this section, that is scientific experiment. And the second one is CBSE Educare. What you will get in this section, as the name suggests, the name of the channel is Scientific Experiments and CBSE Educare. I already told you that in the first section you get all the experiments of physics, chemistry and biology. And the second section, that is CBSE Educare, you will get subject of mathematics and science from class 6 to class 12. We have already completed class 6 maths. Right? After that, we will complete class 7, then 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Both maths and science. In these two sections, I already told you, in scientific experiments you get all the experiments of science related to physics, chemistry and biology. And in the CBSE Educare, you get maths and science subject from class 6 to 12. This is our program. Right? Besides that, we have included membership plan. We have three membership plan. Number one is silver membership. One is silver membership. In silver membership, you will get some of the videos only for members. Right? And number two is gold membership. In the gold membership, you get more benefits than that of silver membership. And the third one is diamond membership. If you be a member of our channel, then you will get this type of perks. One is silver membership, gold membership, and diamond membership. If you are a diamond membership, then all the videos of scientific experiments and CBSE Educare first of all. After that, those videos will be goes to gold membership, right? After a few days, those videos will go to silver membership, and at the last, it will be public. In this way, we make videos for you, and you take the benefits of these different sections. One is scientific experiments, and the second one is CBSE Educare. In scientific experiment, you get all the experiments, nearly all the experiments of science, of physics, chemistry, and biology. That is not only for class 6, but it is up to 12. And the subject is physics, chemistry, and biology. And in CBSE Educare, in second portion, you'll get all the chapters of mathematics and science. All the chapters. Mathematics and science from standard 6 to 12. We have completed just class 6 mathematics. If you have any doubt, then you can ask your question in the comment. We'll try to answer your questions later on in the videos. Not only that, if you have membership, then you will get all the solutions of the doubts you have in the CBSE Educare portion. That is, if you have any doubt in the science or math portion, we'll get answers in the videos, or we'll make videos for you only to solve that question. Right? In this way, we go on. Since this is our first class, later on we are going to start an online class. Later on, I tell you the date, schedule, and time so that you can get proper time and schedule so that you can connect with me. In this way, we can give you the various experiments and the exercises of maths and science from class 6 to class 12. Right? This is our first class of direct interaction with you. That's why I told you what you get if you be a membership of our channel. If you be a silver membership, you get some videos which will be only for silver membership. If you have gold membership, then you will get some videos which will be only for gold membership for a few days. And if you be a diamond membership, you get all the videos of two sections, 1 and 2, both the sections. That is scientific experiments and CBSE Educare. You remember that scientific experiment and CBSE Educare are related to each other because we are getting in CBSE Educare, that is mathematics and science. Not only that, you see, the science is related with the experiments and you get all the experiments. In different experiments, we explain how it goes on, right? We'll try to show all the experiments given in a book, all the experiments. Besides that, we'll do other types of experiments also. I've also included some experiments that is magic of science. Magic of science is nothing but tricks of science that I have explained in some of the videos. I will explain all the magic of science in the member section and show you some videos in the public what is happening in the experiment, but how it works, that I'll tell you in the membership plan. If you take the membership, you'll get all the videos, how it works, or what is the science behind that magic. Not only that, I'll show you some magic also, that is magic of science. Right? In this way, we'll go on. If you want more than this, please comment in our section so that we know we have a good connection with you, so that we understand what you want and what we can offer for you. Dear friends, in this channel, that is scientific experiments on CBSE Educare. We have got all the questions of class 6 separately. All the questions we have dealt separately. If you have any doubt, then comment in that section. I will always answer your comment. Not only that, I will make video for those comments. And remember that whatever we comment, we take action on that. Suppose you want to us to make a video of a particular chapter, we'll again repeat it again, and how the class will go on, that I'm explaining to you. I'll take some online classes for you, that is for public, and I'll take some online classes for you, that is only for members. There are two types of videos. One is for public and the other one is for members. Right? Now you see, there will be two types of online classes. One is based on scientific experiments and the other one is CBSE Educare. Today I am going to take a class on scientific experiments. That is, I will tell or explain about the multimeter, how it works, that I am going to discuss. Remember that I will tell you the schedule on which day I will take classes on experiment, scientific experiments, and on which day I will take CBSE Educare. In CBSE Educare, I will cover maths and science both from class 6 to class 12. And all the experiments of science, that is physics, chemistry, and biology. Now, since this is our first class, we will start from scientific experiments. After that, we will start CBSE Educare, that is lessons of mathematics and science. We will cover all the chapters of science. We will cover all the chapters of mathematics. Not only that, we will do all the questions, each question separately in separate video. That is the most profitable for you. In one question, I will do it in separate videos in second question, then the next question. You will get all the videos, all the questions in separate video. That is one question, one video. Because we are going to explain in a detailed way. If you have any problem, then comment on it and we will try to resolve your problem. I am going to take a class on scientific experiments because since this is our first class, let us take how we explain about scientific experiments. Now see, we try to explain about multimeter. Today is our scientific experiment class, right? Let us take the multimeter and we'll explain to you, right? Here you see, this is our multimeter and I am going to explain how multimeter works in the next video. Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share, and thank you for watching this video. If you have any problem, if you have any issues, please comment in our comment section so that I will get back to you. Remember that we'll answer all the comments of yours, all the comments, not only answers. We'll make videos if we think that it is desirable for you. Next video is on scientific experiments, that is on multimeter. Just watch. Thank you.